Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be making chicken Alfredo. First I'm going to be cooking my chicken. After I cook my chicken, I'm going to be putting some garlic, onions, and celery in the same pan I cooked my chicken. After I get all that cooked down, I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth. Let that simmer for a couple of minutes. I also added garlic, onion, and Creole seasoning. Then add heavy whipping cream. Let that simmer. Now we can add in our cheeses. I'm using Parmesan, but you can use whatever cheese you like. Toss in your noodles and then you're done. You're ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you in my next video.